This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the controls sensitivity on this drone. At the start, you will need to launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Now go into Settings, Flight Control, scroll down, now enter the Advanced Settings and go for the sensitivity. And here you can change the attitude, brake and yaw movement sensitivity controls. And here are the values you can set. So the attitude can be set anywhere between 20 and 100%, the brake 50 and 200, and yaw anywhere between 20 and 120%. In order to change those values, on the other hand, simply tap at the value you would like to adjust, then input whatever, value you would like for it to have, and then on your keyboard press the done button, and here you have it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.